Hello all of you. In this video we are going to learn about how to work with tuples. This is practical program number 9. So let me take my tuple as a tuple. Tuples are immutable, we know that, which we cannot modify the elements individually. So tuples can be placed in terms of parentheses, that let me say x, y, one is small case, one is capital case, in which I am again adding a list called 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma, then I'll write some Wasim, then I'll say Hyderabad, sorry, I have to place in double quotation, Hyderabad. So these are the elements in the list. Now I'll be adding another variable called to be IPL. Right, so now let us close this. The tuple is done. So if you want to print, then I say print my tuple to be printed. Right, let us save this, then run program 9.py. So let us run this first. So my tuple, okay, the spelling is wrong. Right, file, save, run this. The given tuple got printed. Okay, now I would like to show you how to create an empty tuple. Tuple 1 is equals to empty tuple. So print of tuple tuple 1. So I had created an empty tuple here, which I am showing you. So there are no elements, that's why it's empty tuple here. Right, I'll show another way. So tuple 2 is equals to, simply I will say none, then this is what I am taking, print of tuple 2, then save this, yes, so it's also printed. To access the elements of the tuple, we need to use slicing mechanism, or individual elements of the tuple can also be accessed, like I'll show here. Print of, what is my first tuple name? My tuple of, then I want to say the first value, right, that will be y, because the index starts with 0. Yes, it is shown y here. Then I would like to show you print of my tuple of 0 to 3, means it's 0, 1, 2, the 3 values it will show. File, save, let us run. So 0th index is x, first index is y, second index is that list we had been created. Right, if I say print of empty colon 2, it means generate 0 and 1 values. File, save, that is called tuple slicing, which we are showing now. Okay, sorry, I have to write here my tuple, the name is not written now. So my tuple of this one, then this I would like to show. File, save, now. Right, if you want to show the elements of that list only one value, like Wasim at index 0, 1, 2, 3, okay, print of my tuple of where it is 0 1 second index, the value at third index. The second zeroth index is x, first index is y, second index is this list. In this, zeroth index is 1, first index is 2, second index is 3, Wasim is on third index. Let us see. Yes, it's got printed. So, as we know that tuples are immutable objects. Immutable objects in Python. Hence, modification of contents is not possible. Even we cannot delete individual elements from tuple, right? But we can delete entire tuple. We can delete entire tuple, but we can delete entire tuple if you want. That I will show. Delete means del space my tuple 1 or my tuple. Now if I say print of my tuple, print of my tuple, then this line will cause to me an error. File, save, let us run, see. Till this everything got printed. Now here it is showing that name my tuple is not defined. Okay, it is what? Because we had deleted that now. So this is the example of how we can work with tuples. We had learned how to create a tuple, how to create an empty tuple, how to add elements, and how the slicing will be done, right? But modification of the tuple content is not possible. Deletion I had shown you with example. That's all in this program. Thank you.